So how I structure that video is by an opening hook, getting into the meat of the video, immediately providing value, and then a closing call to action.
When we talk about TikTok, we talk about the technology and we talk about how advanced it is, and that there's a learning curve to how to create a TikTok, especially for somebody who doesn't create a lot of videos. So how does that tie in to when you're teaching somebody, or maybe I'm getting ahead of us here, but how does that play into this? Because we're talking about TikTok here, and a lot of times everybody knows how to open it and watch and scroll, but not a lot of people know what to do when it comes to hitting that little button, right?
Right. So let's roll with an exact example. So say you're a digital marketing agency owner like I am, for instance, right? What does somebody want? They want more engagement, they want more sales, they want more awareness, right? So a video that I did today, for instance, was about how to get more backlinks to your website. This is a specific want and need of a website owner or a business owner that wants to boost the domain authority of their website. I understand this because I have my buyer persona outlined specifically. So how I structure that video is by an opening hook, getting into the meat of the video, immediately providing value, and then a closing call to action. So exactly how I structured this video is I opened it up by saying, here's a quick strategy to get more backlinks to your website. And then I show them a screen record of exactly how I would get more backlinks to a website, how to do research on competitors to get more website backlinks. That's the meat and potatoes of the video. And then my closing call to action is simply follow for more SEO tips. It's qualifying the audience there.
I see here one big piece that agents and business owners miss, and that's understanding what they stand for before they go all in. Because you're already saying, follow me for more SEO tips. And I'm just using real estate agents here specifically. I don't ever hear a real estate agent say something along those lines because they're kind of all over the place, right? So I think you're right. Let's identify who our target demographic is first, and what's our message to the target demographic.